What is up, guys? Today I'll show you how you can create this cool spotlight effect in CapCut. Drag your clip to the timeline and duplicate it with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Select the duplicate clip, head over to the mask tab and let's move the clip forward a bit so you can actually see the basketball. Then select add mask and choose the circle. Adjust the circle mask around the object you want to spotlight. Once that's done, scroll down and increase the feather. You'll want it between 20 and 30. And now to make the mask follow the object, we'll use the track feature. Your object will now be automatically tracked and the mask should stay locked onto it. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always add keyframes every few frames yourself or adjust the already added keyframes. To finish up the spotlight animation, move over to the first clip and place the timeline cursor where you want the effect to begin. Open the blend menu and add an opacity keyframe. Then move about half a second forward and set the opacity to around 50. Then you'll just want to repeat this process where you want it to end. Now when you play back your clip, you'll have a smooth spotlight effect on your object. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.